Hello guys, today I am going to talk about what is CocoaPod, alternative to CocoaPods, and how to install it and use it to your Xcode projects. So CocoaPod is an application level dependency manager for the Objective-C or Swift. So what are the alternatives to CocoaPods? Alternatives like Gradle, Apache Maven. Basically Gradle and Apache Maven for Java project, and Composer and Homebrew for PHP applications. These are the most popular alternatives and competitors to CocoaPods. So let's jump on the main section, how to install CocoaPod and use it to your Xcode project. To do that, let's visit CocoaPod website first. Just type out CocoaPods. Click on guides and then get started. This is the single line of command to install CocoaPods on your Mac. Bring the terminal and type sudo gem install CocoaPods. Hit enter. Type your MacBook password. Done. It's very simple. Installation complete. And now what we will do, we will create a Xcode project and then we will install CocoaPod into that project, and we will try to install at least one service such as Firebase into your project. So let's open Xcode. Create a new Xcode project. Next, let's say CocoaPods Tut. Keep the language Swift, and I am keeping also the interface is storyboard. And then next, choose the location where you want to save and then create. The project is created successfully. Now let's install the CocoaPod into this project. So to do that, again bring the terminal, go into the project directory, cd, so now we are into the project directory. Yes. So now type pod init. When you type pod init, this will automatically create a pod file into your project directory. So now open the pod file into your editor. I am using VS Code to edit the pod file. This is the main pod file actually, where you have to do the few things to make it works. Just uncomment the second line platform and select the and type the platform you want to use. So let's check which platform we are using for this tutorial. Open the Xcode project, click on project names and then and then project names here again, and just find the deployment target. This is the iOS development target that we are currently using for this project, which is 13.4. So let's use this 13.4. Save. And for this tutorial we are going to use Firebase. We are going to install Firebase into our projects. To do that, visit Firebase, we are going to install Firebase into our project. Just go to docs, click on get started for iOS, and then go to authentication, then iOS, password authentication. Copy this line, open the VS Code and just paste it here and save it. Once it's saved, open the terminal again and hit pod install. And hit enter. Installing the pods, installing the Firebase into your project. Let's see, the pod file is created, pod folder is created here. So it's that simple. So now the pod is installed Firebase service into your Xcode projects. So in that way you can install other service too. So thank you.